Well, in an effort to build us this ultimate trail machine, another Polaris accessory here. These are the low profile rock sliders. And let me tell you something, these things are beefy. I mean, they're not typical bolt-on for looks kind of rock sliders. These are the real deal, man. They're 3/16 steel, they're heavy. And check out how Polaris mounts these things. This is pretty cool. So they've got basically this plug that you bolt into the backside of the slider there, and the bolt goes through. And when you tighten it, it's kind of like if you are familiar with how the gooseneck on a handlebar works. So once you tighten it, this thing pops loose because they kind of got them glued together from the factory. It pops loose, and then this wedge expands in the hole that they've already provided down here for you. You got to cut the little holes in the plastic there, which is not a big deal, just quick hole saw. And then yeah, this thing here goes in there, it expands, you tighten it up, and I'll tell you what, we just did the other side, and man, these things are rock solid. So don't worry about damaging the side panels on your car now, because these things are going to hold up against pretty much anything you throw at them. So let's get this thing installed and show you what it looks like. There you have it, guys. The rock sliders are installed. Let me tell you something. These things are like, I mean, really solid. Probably helps to have an extra hand when you do these. They're super heavy. I think they weigh about 30 pounds a piece. Kind of hard to maneuver, but you know, with a floor jack, and you can definitely do it with one person. I did, and man, again, super easy to install. Rock solid, great accessory. Man, Polaris, good job, man. You did it again. And these things look really nice.